Hey, what's up guys, I'm Akas Ahmad from Waqzite, and in today's video we will be creating this kind of 3D retro text logo design in Photoshop. This is fully customizable design. If you don't want to follow this complete tutorial, you can download the project file or template from the link in the video's description. It is absolutely for free. Now let's jump to the video and get started. Okay, so first of all, create new layer. Size is 1920 by 1080 and the resolution is 72 pixels per inch. Click on create. Let's create new gradient adjustment layer. Click on this drop down menu and select this gradient. Now click here to edit the gradient and change the white color to dark blue color. Hit OK and then hit OK. Change its style to radial. Scale is 380. Check the reverse and dither option and then hit OK. Also delete this background layer because we do need it. Select the type tool, click anywhere on the canvas and type something. Click on this icon to confirm it. Pick the move tool and align the text into the center. Let's convert the layer into a smart object so we can edit it later. Right click on the layer and choose blending option. Click on color overlay and add any color that you like. Now click on stroke. Size is 20, position is outside. Click on this color. With the eyedropper tool, select the color from the background and then hit OK. Hit OK again. Now as you can see, we added stroke to the text. Now let's duplicate the layer by pressing Ctrl J. Double click on it, click on color overlay and change its color. Hit OK. Now select the move tool and move it slightly. Now select both layers and put them in a group by pressing Ctrl G. Also rename it text. Right click on it and choose blending option. Again click on stroke. This time the color is white and the size is 10. Now hit OK. Now let's drag and drop this texture into the Photoshop and scale it. Confirm it. Now press Ctrl I to invert it. Change its blend mode to screen and then press Ctrl L to open levels and move this slider to the right to make the image darker, just like this. Also drop down its opacity to about 60. And now you are done. You can also change the text. Just double click on this layer, it will open a new document. And here you can edit it. Close the document when you are done and save it. It will update everything. You can also use your logo. Just double click on the layer once again and here you can replace your logo. Let's scale it a little bit and confirm it. Also delete this text layer. Now as you can see, it is cutting off. So to fix it, go to image and reveal all. It will fix the problem. Now close the document and save it. And Photoshop will update everything. You can also create a hue and saturation adjustment layer on top of everything, and with the help of this adjustment layer, you can change its color. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoy it. Hit the like button if you like this video. Subscribe to the channel, also ring the bell icon. Be sure to download the project file from the link in the video's description. It is absolutely for free. I will be catch you in my next video. Till then, peace.